Hey guys, welcome back to episode number 3, which is boundaries. Now, this episode is extremely important because this sets up the whole playlist from here on. Each and every feature or each and every thing that we talk about moving on from this episode will be about boundaries. Don't skip this, please. What are boundaries? The problem that is happening in your code base right now is anything is importing anything. Let's say your one page is importing a hook. That hook is importing a utility, but that utility is then used by some other hook or some other page or some other utility, right? Now if you refactor one thing, four other things can break, and AI has the tendency to copy patterns. If this is the pattern that you're following, then your code base will never be AI ready, period. The solution: your features cannot import other features. That's it. That is it. Think of your application in three layers, right? There is a shared library, and shared library, by that I mean shared utilities plus shared design library, right? Then there are pages, right? And all the configs, right? And then there are modules. A single module should not be imported to any other module, right? A module is a single entity that does a single job, right? How does it do that job? Another module should not know or should not care. For example, if you want to import billing or payments, right? Think of Stripe or any other payment API, right? Stripe will not care how you handle your orders. The same way you don't care how Stripe handles payments, right? Those are two different features. So if I had to build my payment gateway today, my whole mindset should be here that that payment gateway should be a folder which tomorrow I can export to an npm package, and that can be reused anywhere, right? If you have that, then you have one flow directional flow of data. If you don't have that, then you are still stuck here. Please fix it. Okay. You can enforce this by ESLint. You can pause on this slide and understand what's going on here. But basically, app is allowed to import from feature or shared. Feature is allowed to import from shared and design, and shared is only allowed to import from library. If you think this is a tree structure, this is not a graph structure. Think about it. And finally, yeah, we will more talk about this more. But yeah, as I told you in the second or third slide, if you can have one folder per feature, and if you can just extract that folder out into an npm library, and this goes for n number of features that you have in your app. If you can extract all the features into different npm libraries, then yes, you have AI enabled code, right? If not, then AI will just exponentially increase the mess. So if you want to fix just one thing, make sure that you differentiate features, and one feature just does one thing, and then create or make sure that feature is contained in one folder, and that folder can work as an API for this feature to be extracted later. That's it. That's it. One folder per feature. If you can do that, you're done. Cool. As a segue to this, we'll talk about folder structure in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.